Well, students, today I would like to discuss with you trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Okay, trigonometric. So, trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Okay, so this topic today I would like to discuss with you. Now this is a very easy concept here, trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. So very first thing, the complementary angle of sine of theta. Okay, so we can write this one as cos of 90 minus of theta. Okay, so the complementary angle of sine theta is equal to cos of 90 minus theta. Now it is cos of theta is nothing but we have again it is sine of 90 minus of theta. Okay, next we have here again tan. So tan of theta we can write as it is cot of 90 minus of theta. Now cot of theta is nothing but it is tan of 90 minus of theta. Next we have sec of theta is nothing but cosec of 90 minus of theta, and one more we have it is cosec of theta is nothing but it is sec of 90 minus of theta. Okay, so these are the what complementary angles of trigonometric ratios. Okay, sine of theta is equal to cos of 90 minus theta, cos of theta is equal to sine of 90 minus theta, tan of theta is equal to cot of 90 minus theta, cot of theta is equal to tan of 90 minus theta, sec of theta is equal to cosec of 90 minus theta, and cosec of theta is equal to sec of 90 minus theta. Okay, I hope you understood. These are the what trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. By using this we will be solve an example. Okay, so let me take the example here. It is evaluate tan of 65 divided by cot of 25. So evaluate example, it is tan of 65 degree is divided by cot of 25 degree. Okay, so this we need to evaluate here. For this, if we need to evaluate means solution for this solution now. Okay, so tan of 65 degree is divided by cot of, we have here cot of 25. Now just you can see cot of theta is nothing but what, tan of 90 minus theta. So theta means what, you can consider the angle. Okay, so now let me write this one. Cot I'm going to write as what, tan of, it is tan of 90 minus of 25 degree. Okay, so now for this if I written, so this implies this is tan of, again we can write 65 degree. Now it's divided by, again it is tan of 90 minus 25 degree. Okay, 90 degree minus of 25 degree, it is again 65 degree. So answer will come 1. Okay, so I hope you understood. Either you can change numerator, either you can change denominator, any one of the thing you can change it and you will get your answer. I hope you understood. Okay, so the next question we have here. So the next question says that if sine of 3a is equal to, okay, let me rub this one and let me write here. If it is, if sine of 3a is equal to cos of a minus 26 degree. Okay, example, if sine of 3a is equal to cos of it is A minus of 26 degree, cos of A minus of 26 degree, okay, A minus of 26 degree, where 3A is an acute angle, where 3A is an acute angle, 3A is an acute angle. Find the value of A, okay, what we need to find the value of A, very simple it is. Solution. Now we have here sine of 3A, okay, so let me write given first. Sine of 3A is equal to cos of, it is A minus of 26 degree, okay. Now this you can change it, sine of 3A you can convert into what, cos. Now it is just, you can observe that 3A is an what here, acute angle, it is what, any acute angle. Now what we need to find, value of A. For this sine of 3A, now sine of theta you can consider 3A as, now this becomes what here, cos of, it is 90 minus of, can say that 3 of A, which is equal to, again we have cos of A minus of 26 degree, okay. Now next, so if this is thing, then here cos and the cos will be cancelled, so remaining what here, 90 degree minus of 3A, now here again A minus of 26 degree, okay. So these two things are there. Now you can equate this equation to what, 0. So let me equate this equation. This implies this is 90 degree minus, this becomes, now let me take this into that side, positive, okay. So this becomes negative, or here 26 degree, now this is again this side means minus, it is 4 of A is equal to 0. Now here 90 degree plus of 26 degree, total it is 100, and we can say that it is 26, 116 degree, 19, 100, 110, 116, okay. Now 116 degree, now minus of 4 into A is equal to 0, but what we need here, we need A. For this equal to, again, so 116 degree is equal to 4 into A, now it is 116 divided by 4, this equal to A, okay. Now this implies 4 1 za, it is 4 2 za 8, so remaining is again it is 29 za, okay. So we can say A is equal to how much, it is 29 degree, A is equal to 29 degree, okay. So what we got the answer here, find the value of A. So we got the value of A is equal to what, 29 degree. I hope you understood, okay. Once again let me explain. Sine of 3A is equal to cos of A minus of 26 degree, where 3A is an acute angle, okay. Once they are given 3A is what here, acute angle, means we got the answer as what here, acute angle itself, because it is less than 90 degree, okay. Now sine of 3A is equal to, given you can write, now convert this side into what, your complementary angles, cos of 90 degree minus of theta we are consider as what here, 3A, convert, make the cancellations and make the what, this equation equal to what, 0, then will we go for what, getting the values, okay. And A is equal to what here, A is equal to 29 degree, okay. I hope you understood. Now next thing we have here one more, let me go for the what, exercise L1.3, okay, exercise L1.3. So now exercise L1.3, okay. So the first question we have here, evaluate exercise, it is exercise L1.3, okay, exercise L1.3. First question, evaluate okay. In that first one we have the first one, sine of 18 degree divided by cos of 72, sine of 18 degree divided by cos of 72 degree. Okay, so this is the what question here we have. Now solution for this question, solution. So now sine of 18 degree they are given. You can convert anyone else. You can convert either what numerator, either what here denominator. Let us shall we convert what here denominator. Okay, now sine of 18 degree as it is. Now this shall be convert. Cos of theta is nothing but what? Sine of 90 minus theta. So it is 90 minus of 72 degree. So 90 degree minus of 72 degree is nothing but what? This implies sine of 18 degree is divided by sine of, it is 90 minus 72 is 18 degree. Okay, now both are what? Equal to 1. This cancels and the answer will come out here 8. Sine of 18 degree by 18 degree is, answer is 1. I hope you understood. Okay, let me go for second one, tan of 26 divided by cot of 64. Second one we have tan of 64 divided by, it is cot of, sorry, I think it is tan of 26. Okay, so this is tan of 26 degree and this is cot of 64 degree. Okay, so this is what your second question. Very simple solution for this. So first of all you can write the given tan of 26 degree. Now this becomes cot of 64 degree. Okay, so once you return, let I'll be convert denominator. Okay, now tan of 26 degree as it is. Now this becomes cot of, here cot of 64 is there. Now we have the formula cot of theta is equal to tan of 90 minus theta. Now this becomes tan of 90 degree minus of theta we have 64. Okay, now so this implies, now this is tan of 26 degree divided by, we have again it is tan of 90 minus of 64. It is nothing but again 26. Okay, answer will come 1. Okay, so these are the what? Two examples. Let me go for fourth one. Okay, third one you can solve it. Let me go for so I'll be rub this one. I'll be go for fourth one. Now fourth question we have. So fourth question, let me see the fourth question. What is it? Cosec of 31 degree minus sec of 59 degree. Okay, cosec of 31 degree minus, it is sec of 59 degree. Okay, now this is the question. You can convert anyone, either you can convert this, either you can convert this. Okay, so now solution for this question, solution. Now cosec of 31 degree, I'll be write first given minus of sec of 59 degree. Okay, now this is there, then will be go for next thing. So I'll be convert first one. Okay, cosec means, so see here cosec of theta is equal to what? Sec of 90 minus theta. Okay, now cosec is nothing but what here? Sec of, it is 90 degree minus of 31 degree. Okay, minus, it is again sec of 59 degree. Okay, now this becomes sec of 90 degree minus of 31 minus of sec of 59 degree. Now this becomes 90 minus 31 degree. So this is again you can say that it is sec of 59 degree minus of, it is sec of 59 degree. Okay, now both are what here? Plus minus, so answer will come 0. Okay, so I hope you understood. Very easy, these problems are very easy. only understanding thing is there here. Okay, so now we have second main question, show that. So I'll be go for second main question, show that. So show that first question in that second main, we have first one, show that tan of 45, tan of 23, tan of 45 degree and into tan of 23 degree, tan of 45 tan of 23 degree into tan of 42 tan of 67, tan of 42 degree tan of 67 degree is equal to 1, is equal to 1. Answer should become here 1. Okay, by using the complementary angles. What we need to get here answer means, you can here tan of 45 degree, tan of 23 degree, tan of 42 degree, tan of 67 degree. Okay, now is it 45, tan of 45 degree, yes, 48 degree it is 48 degree. Okay, now you can convert here only two things. Okay, so once you converted only two things, you will get your answer. So solution for this, it is tan of 48 degree into tan of 23 into again it is tan of 42 degree into again it is tan of 67 degree. We need to get the answer in terms of 1. So this implies I will convert first one. Well, see here, I did it here converted. Now, so this you can tan of 48 degree into again it is tan of 23 degree. This you can convert, these two you can convert. So this becomes tan of it is 42 degree, isn't it? So tan of 42 degree is there. So this you can convert, otherwise you can write 1 divided by it is cot. Okay, 1 divided by cot of it is 42 degree. Okay, 1 divided by cot of 42 degree. Now this becomes again you can write into it is again 1 divided by this becomes cot of it is 67 degree. Okay, now this equal to again it is tan of 48 degree, now tan of 42 degree. Now these two things convert. Okay, so 1 divided by tan of 42 is there, this becomes what here, tan of 90 minus of 42 is there. Okay, it is 90 minus of 42 degree. Okay, now into again it is 1 divided by it is tan of 90 degree minus of 67. Okay, so these two things are there here. Now let me write here. So this implies tan of 48 you can keep as it is, tan of 48 degree as it is into tan of again 42 degree as it is. So 1 divided by tan of 90 degree minus of 42. So remaining is what here, we can say that it is tan of it is 1 divided by again it is tan of 48 degree. Okay, into again we have 1 by it is tan of how much, it is again we have 23 degree. Now we have, is it 23 degree? Yes, this is 23 degree. Now this and this and this get cancels. So 1 into 1 is again 1 itself. Okay, so 1 into 1 is 1 itself and we need to prove 1 here. Okay, and we are proved. Okay, just you can convert any two things, either these two things or either these two things, you can convert and you will get your answer. I hope you understood. Okay, let me go for next question. So next question you can solve it second one. Okay, I'll be go for third question, third main. Okay, now third one we have here. Third one we have the, what is the question here? Third one, if tan of 2a, if third one, if tan of 2a is equal to, tan of 2a is equal to cot of a minus 18, cot of a minus of 18, cot of a minus of 18, where 2a is an acute angle, where question is where 2a is an acute angle, find the value of a. Okay, what we need to find the value of a, find the value of a. Okay, if tan of 2a is equal to cot of a minus of 18, where 2a is an acute angle, find the value of a. Very simple it is. Now solution for this question, solution, first of all given you can write tan of 2a is equal to cot of a minus of 18. Okay, now this you can convert. So tan of 2a is there, tan theta is equal to cot of. Okay, now this becomes cot of, it is 90 degree minus of 2a is equal to, it is cot of a minus of 20, sorry, it is 18 degree. Okay, now next, for this equal to cot get cancels. Now remaining is what here, 90 degree minus of 2a is equal to, again it is a minus of 18 degree. Now equate these equations into what? Equal to 0. So this becomes 90 degree minus of, you can take this side, means it is plus of 18 degree. Now minus of 2a is equal to, again it is minus of a is equal to 0. Okay, now so this becomes 90 degree plus of 18. Okay, 90 plus of 18, so 108 degree, and this is minus of, again 3a is equal to 0. Okay, now the next step is what here, 108 degree is there. So 108 as it is, this equal to again 3a. Now we need only a, so that's why 108 divided by 3, 3 ones are 3, 3s are 1 remaining, again it is 3 6 are. Okay, through, so 3 6 are 18. Now a is equal to 18 degree, and where a is an what here, acute angle. I hope you understood. Okay, so sorry, it is 36. Okay, now where a is an what, acute angle, a is equal to 36 degree. We got answer, a is equal to 36 degree. Okay, I hope you understood. Let me solve one more example now, fourth one. Okay, so the fourth one, so now the next question here, fourth one, if tan a is equal to cot b, fourth one, tan a is equal to cot of b, tan a is equal to cot of b, prove that a plus b is equal to 90. Okay, prove that a plus of b is equal to 90 degree. This we need to prove. Okay, solution for this question, solution. Now tan of a is equal to cot of b they are given, and what we need to prove, a plus b is equal to 90. It is very simple. Now first of all you can write tan of a is equal to cot of b. Okay, now convert anyone. So let me convert this tan into what, cot of, it is 90 degree minus of a is equal to, it is cot of b. Okay, now here cot get cancels. Now remaining is what, 90 degree minus of a is equal to b. Now a can send that side, so 90 is equal to, it is a plus of b. Okay, so this what we need to prove a plus b is equal to 90 degree. This is what the answer of fourth question. I hope you understood. Okay.